Are you searching something?
No, I'm ready now.
Okay, okay. So, shall we start now?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So, I'm sure when I gave you the questions on Thursday, like you have to factorize and you have to take out the factors from the terms. The terms were mentioned that you were supposed to take out the factors. Yeah. So today we will solve. Yeah, we will be solving the same pattern. We will solving the same question, but in a different kind of matter because the same question will be there, but uh, the pattern will be bit changed. Like for example, this time if I am writing a question like 15 plus 25x. Now, this kind of question is exactly like factoring the terms, but it's a question which is a bit different from that question which we done on Thursday, right? So, what we're gonna do, that procedure, that method, that methodology is the same, but just we have to just simplify it in a factorization method. How? We have to take the common number in both cases, in both expression. Are you getting my point, Aisha?
Yeah.
We have to get a common number. And see, I told you the condition, like for example, the number is here and the number is here, 3x, x plus 3x. We can say easily that x plus 3x is the same number because x and x, they can be taken out as common. Fine. But this time, the situation is a bit different. How? Because the 15 and the 25x, they are totally different expansions. They are different. They are totally different expressions. Fine. So we can't get exactly the pattern, the method that what we're gonna do ahead. So if we can't find the common number from what expression, what we're gonna do, we can find a simple situation. We can find a simple solution to that. We can figure out the number which is divisible by 15 as well, and which is the multiple, like which is the multiple of 15 as well and 25 as well. Now you know easily that 5 is the table which can be divisible with 15 as well, and it can be divisible with 25 as well. So if I am taking 5 as a common number outside, so I definitely know what number I should write inside. So if I multiply 5 with that number, so the exact 15 would come.
3.
Exactly. So I am writing 3 over here. Fine. Now I will move towards the next number. Now what number I should write inside the bracket? So I multiply, so the 25 should come.
5.
Exactly, 5. But one thing is missing. What is that? It's x. And your question is done. So sometimes we can face these kind of simplest question as well, but we do get confused because we don't know exactly the pattern that how we're gonna move it. Fine, so don't get confused. We just say a simple number which should be divisible by both expression, right?
Yeah.
So I am writing that just another example. I'm not giving you the homework for today. I am just whatever the question I am doing in the class that you have to write and you have to practice those. Okay, so it will be enough for you for today. Inshallah, tomorrow I will give you some question for the practice. Got it?
Okay.
Okay, so I am writing another question that is x square y plus y square x cube. Okay, so this time the situation is the situation resembles with our concept because we know that we can take out the common number. Or if I make like this, if I make like x cube y square. Now I can see that xy and xy, I can take common number as outside the bracket. So I know that I can take 1xy and I can take 1xy from here as well. Got it? So if I write xy, okay, I write xy. So definitely what I have done, see from this side, see from this expression, 1x has taken outside as common and y is already written outside. So what is left? Only this expression. Only.
Sorry, once again. Yep. What are you saying?
I am saying that see the upper see this condition.
Yeah.
I am telling you, I've been saying that I should multiply a number inside the bracket. So if I multiply these both numbers, so the first expression should be completed, right? Similarly, we're going to apply the same procedure over here as well. I should multiply or I should complete the procedure or a pattern just like the upper question. So it should have it should give the like vibes of this first expression. So x square y. See x y I have already written. Fine. X has written already. Wait, I have to make this as a S. Let me clear this. You should understand this. Okay. See x y. See this x square. Isn't it x square? It's
Yeah.
x square.
Yeah.
So one x we have already taken out.
Yeah.
So what is left behind?
X.
X. I am writing x over here. Now y I have already taken out. So should I write y inside as well?
No.
Exactly. Now see, if I multiply this pattern, if I multiply this term, it will be exactly x square y, isn't it? Because x
Yeah.
times x would be x square and it's y. Okay, so your first expression, your first factor of the expression, which is x square y, is completed. Now what we're gonna do? We're gonna solve the same expression in the next term, which is coming x cubed y square. Now you can easily identify that what we write inside the bracket, so it should complete the second expression as well. Now see, xy is already taken out. If one x is out, so how many x left behind in another expression?
2.
Exactly, x
Yeah.
x square. You can write x square. Got it? Now
Yeah.
here is y square. Y square already, one y we have already taken out. So how many y are left?
Y. 1 Y.
Only one y. So I'm gonna write only one y. Got it? So
Yeah.
your answer is xy into x plus x square y.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can write this question.
Okay, done.
Done? Okay, fine. Good. So did you get these kind of questions? Should we move ahead?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, the next question is x cubed plus 3x squared plus 4x plus 12. 12, this is 12. Plus 12. Okay. So
Okay.
can you solve this kind of question? Just give me an idea. Can you solve? See, the pattern is same. The way we were doing on Thursday. Similarly, we're gonna apply the same procedure. We're gonna apply the same factorization, but this time we are just. Or you let me finish this. We're gonna make the pair
Yeah.
before factorizing them. So I made it more easy for you. You can just figure out that how we gonna solve the factors over here just right now. So I made the couple. Oh, sorry, I made the pair as well. X cube plus 3x squared, 4x plus 1. So you can easily make the factors. If you cannot, you can easily tell me that I am not getting it.
Okay. So first, you.
See, first of all, the first step. Remember the first step when you can write as well. From factorization, when you are making the pair of two expression, always see the common number. Always see the common variable. Got it?
Yeah.
So here we see the x is common.
Yeah. So if there was would you already also have to write the 3 because the 3 multiplied by x, like
Exactly.
you know how. Yeah.
But you can write 3 inside the bracket. You can write. Yeah, this option for you.
Okay. So first you'd write the x on the so you'd write the x outside the brackets.
Okay, if I write x outside the bracket, then
you'd have x squared because x multiplied by x squared will get you x cubed.
okay, fine, x cubed, then
and then you do you'd add 3. You do 3 because
I'm going to add 3. Okay.
3x.
Okay, I'm writing 3x. Now remember, I told you the situation, I told you the condition that is compulsory. If the brackets are true, okay, if the first bracket is like this and you have to make another bracket as well, because this time you have 4 expressions. So don't forget that what the bracket inside, whatever the expressions are coming, they should be same. Okay, they should be same. Now see, here we made one mistake. What? See, if we make this expression, see, we are left with this expression as well. And sorry, if we're gonna factorize this, for example, I am writing now. I am now the turn of 4x plus 12 because we are already done. Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm writing, if I write 4 outside, okay, to make the similar bracket inside whatever the in the first bracket. So if I write x and see, there is no any kind of square in this x. There is only one x.
Okay.
Did you get my point? So if I write x square over here, because of the first bracket has x square, so is it correct?
Now, are you allowed to write x squared like outside?
Okay, x square is outside. Yeah, then fine. Then fine. Okay, it's fine now. So is x? Yeah, now that's correct. Okay, now you can solve. You can solve yourself ahead.
Yeah, and then so next you have to do so 4 multiplied by so yeah, 4 multiplied by x is going to get you, so inside the brackets would be x plus 3 because 4 at 3x, I mean 4 plus 3.
Exactly. So I am going to write x plus 3.
3x, yeah.
Yeah, but here, can you see any kind of x over here? Should is it correct? Should we write it over here?
No.
Exactly. Very good. So see, this question is already solved. So the factors you made are x square plus 4 into x plus 3. Okay, so that's answer. You can write it now.
Yep. Okay.
Okay. Now move towards a question which is 10x squared plus 11x minus 6. Okay. Does this question seem like the same question we have done on Thursday? 10x squared plus 11x minus 6, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is this question the same like we have done on Thursday? Okay, can you try this? You can try on your own page and you can tell me. If you are not getting it, you can say that I'm unable to solve, because I really want you to know the tragic point which is coming in this question. So you just start.
Are we gonna solve it using the method we used on Friday?
Exactly. The same method. The number, you have to get the multiple of 6. See the last number, you have to get the multiple of 6. If we add them or minus them, it should be equal to 11. And if we multiply them, it should be equal to 6. So first of all, the first step is to make the multiples of 6.
do you leave the 10 where it is? Do you have to do anything with the 10?
Okay. I'll tell you afterwards. You just make the multiples. First, make the. Are you done with the multiples of 6?
Yeah.
Okay. So if I write the multiple of 6, like it's starting from 1. 1, 6 are 6, and because the 6 is minus, so I'm gonna write -1. Then -2, 3 times 6. Then -3, 2 times 6. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, now can you see any kind of pair of multiple which we add or subtract so it makes 11?
No.
Now that's the point. That's the exact point where we are stuck now. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna take the help from 10, just like the number in addition. We're gonna take carry from the another number. Did you get my point? So what
Yeah.
we're gonna do now, see, we don't have to touch 11x because in this way the multiplication of the factorization will be disturbed. Okay, if I take one carry from this 6 or whatever, we are not taking carry any or anything. We are just moving this 10 towards 6. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so 10 is going to multiply with 6. Did you get my point?
Yeah.
See, so what we're gonna do now? 10 will be multiplied with 6. So the new term of this line will be 10 x
Yeah.
plus 11x minus 60. Okay, but remember, we are making 60 just to get the multiple. So if we add those numbers, so the 11 should come. Got it? But we will not use in factorization. We will use the same expression. We will use the same term as it is above mentioned. Got it? So we just move ahead with the question and automatically we will get to know that what we are going to do. So first, let's deal with 60. So 60, obviously, the first step is to making the multiples of 60. So you just make the multiples of 60.
Yeah, okay, so we have 1 and 60.
Okay, I'm just making over here. Wait. Okay, that's minus. See, minus 60. So I'm writing minus 60. Okay, then the next one.
Minus 2 and 30.
Exactly, minus 2 and 30. Then
Minus 3 and 20.
minus 3 and 20. Then
Minus 4 and 15.
exactly, minus 4 and 15.
Minus 5 and 12.
Exactly. Now see, I think we are enough till here.
Yeah.
And we can easily figure, sorry. Sorry. So we can easily figure out that which kind of pair in this multiples is fulfilling the requirement of 11x. Obviously, is 4
Yeah.
and 15, isn't it?
Yeah.
So if I take away 4 from 15, so definitely I would get plus 11x. Got it?
Yeah.
So I am just making the factors now. Oops, sorry. Okay, so let me move this. Now see, we are done with the multiples. So now right away we just move towards the first terms which was mentioned in the question. Okay, so now we don't have to do anything with 60. The terms will move ahead as it is with the 6. Got it?
Okay.
Okay, so I am writing 10x squared minus 4x plus 15x minus 6. Okay, did you get this factorization? Did you
Yeah.
get this simplification? It's not factorization, we can say a simplification, more simplification of 11x. Okay, now it's time to make the exact factors. Now, the second step is to make the pair of two expressions. Now,
Okay.
Yeah, now see, I have to figure out the common number from first this pair. So I can easily identify that x is common as well.
Yeah.
And if the numbers are different, so I should find a number that is divisible with what? It should be divisible with 10 as well, and it should be divisible with 4 as well.
2.
Exactly. So if I write 2x, because I have taken away one x as common outside the bracket. Got it?
Yeah.
So I am making the bracket now. Now see what number I should multiply with q so the 10 should come.
5.
5. Okay. And see 10x squared. It
Yeah.
means one x has taken away outside, so the one x is left. So definitely that x has to be written with 5. Okay, so that term is completed. That expression is completed now. Next move towards the 4. Now see what number I should multiply with 2 so the 4 should come obviously. 2 2s are 4.
-2.
Exactly, -2. Now this time I don't need to write x anymore because I know there is only one x. And if I multiply with this x, 2 times 4, and then x will be automatically come inside. So it will be 4x. So we don't need to write x more with 2. Got it? So this bracket is completed now. Now we got the clue that another bracket should be the same, 5x minus 2. So we have to just deal with the number that should be divisible with 15 as well, and that should be divisible with 6 as well. So if I write, what number I should write over here?
So it should be divisible with 6 and 15, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, 3.
Exactly. So I am writing 3. See, there's no space, so I'm writing just down. Okay, 3. And inside the bracket, now see 5x minus 2 should come. So what number I should see now is I can easily I can easily understand that if I multiply 3 times 5, so it could be definitely 15x. Oh, sorry. It's not 15, it's 5x. It
Yeah.
will be 5x. So 3 times 5, 15x plus, oh, sorry, minus, because 6 is minus. Now 3 times 2 would be 6. So your question is solved now. The factors you made from this question is 2x plus 3 and 5x minus 6. Got it?
Yeah.
So the factors of this question are done, and we are done with this question as well. You can write it.
Yeah, I wrote it as we went along.
Okay, very good. Let's move towards the next one. Okay, now we are starting the basic algebraic rules, which is a did you heard about the basic rule, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab, or a square plus b square minus 2ab, just like that.
Okay.
Have you heard these kind of formulas? A square plus b square plus 2ab, or a square. These are very common in the memes as well. Have you
Yeah.
heard about this?
Yeah.
Okay, so these are the basic, very basic formulas of algebra, but we are not using them right now. We just gonna solve the question regarding this. Okay, so I am writing my first is the difference of square. The difference of square is what? If I write a square minus b square in a bracket. Okay, just wait for 2 minutes. Azan is there.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Let's get back to the class. Okay, so a square minus b square, which is in the bracket. Now we're gonna directly make the factors from this a square minus b square. But how? We can't say that we one number I should get outside and the one number it should be inside the bracket. I can do, but what if I simply do that? I know that my minus and plus would be equal to always minus.
Yeah.
Got it? Minus plus would be minus. So I know that if I write a square, if I write one time a minus b and one time a plus b. So I can easily say that one time minus and one time plus, and I'm going to multiply them. So it will be a square, and I'm going to multiply b with b. It will be b square. Okay. So sometimes these kind of question can come to your in your syllabus, that we are not making the factors which should be outside and inside. We don't get into these kind of confusion. We directly say that if the minus and plus, if we know the pattern of plus minus and minus plus and plus plus and so on, so we can easily say that minus plus would be minus and a would be a square and b would be b square. Got it?
Okay.
Okay, so if I write, for example, if I'm writing a square plus b square, you can easily make the factors from this. You can easily make. Now see, you know that a square plus b square, it means a is supposed to be right 2 times and b is supposed to be right 2 times. And plus would be always equal to plus.
Yeah.
So if I write a plus b, and I write again a plus b. And if I multiply them both, I know a multiplied a times 2 is a square. That's my first expression. Plus and plus would be what? Plus, and b multiplied with b would be b square.
B square.
But exactly. So if I write, I'm moving towards the question which is 9p square minus 1. 9p square minus 1. So we have to follow the same method we have done in the a square minus b square. Okay, we have to follow the same pattern. Now see, this time if I'm just writing the formula which is a square minus b square. So directly we have to we have to apply this formula in this question. How? Similarly, if I make a square like this, if I make a square like this, like how? I know that divisible number of 9 is what? Multiple of 9 is what?
3.
Exactly. So if I write 3 into p square. See, I have simplified in a very simple situation. Okay. See, I made the a square. I made the a square. Now I really want to make the b square as well. What I'm going to do, if I have applied square as well, I'm going to apply square as well over here. Got it? Now, see,
Okay.
a square minus b square and 3p square minus 1 square. Do they look the same?
Yeah.
So, simply, the next answer will be, what will be the next answer? The answer will be, you can easily say that 3p minus 1 and
Yeah.
3p plus 1. That's a simple answer. Should I repeat it? Should I repeat it, or
No,
you are
no,
understood?
I understand.
Okay. I'm just doing the last question, and then inshallah we will be doing some practice question tomorrow in the class. Okay. So if I write x squared plus 4, see, now I am following the formula which is a squared plus b squared, because once we are done with the minus 1, so we're gonna apply the plus 1 as well. So
Okay.
First of all, what we're gonna do is we have to make the question in this form. We have to make a square as well as b square. How? If I write x square and I know the multiple of 4 would be, hello?
Hello?
Hello, yes, Aisha?
Can you
Hello?
hear me? Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So see, I made the multiple of x square. Now I am done with a square now. Now I have to make b square as well. So what is the multiple of 4?
2.
So I am writing 2 square because I know 2 times 2 would be 4. Now see, if you see a square plus b square and x square plus 2 square are not the same,
Yeah.
so you can easily say that x plus 2 and x plus 2. That
Yeah.
these are the factors of x square plus 4. Got it?
Okay.
Okay, so that's for today. You can practice this question, and inshallah we will have some more question in the tomorrow's class. Okay, and the tomorrow's class is at 9 p.m. I don't know exactly the timing. Around it might be 6 p.m. in your timing. I don't know exactly, but see the half an hour before, like with the in the Monday the class held half an hour before, so it will be 9 p.m. What will be the time in the UK then?
Is it our normal time for taking class? Tomorrow, is it going to
Sorry,
be is it going to be the normal time?
morning time?
No, I said, is it going to be the normal time we take class?
I didn't understand. Your voice is so glitching and hello. You can type. You can type.
Okay.
Where's that? Is it the normal time we take class? Okay. Okay. What's the time right now, Aisha? What's the time right now? Over
5:24.
there. It's 5:24. And what was the time when we started the class?
We were supposed to start at 4:30, but we started at 4:45 or something.
Okay. Okay. So tomorrow will be the 4:30. The timing will be 4:30.
Okay.
Fine. Tomorrow the timing will be the 4:30 because see, I used to think in my mind that on Monday the class is supposed to be held at 8:30 p.m. in Pakistan time. Fine, and I don't know the exact time. What is the time? If it's 8:30 in Pakistan, what is the timing in the UK? Might
4:30.
be it 4:30. Now see, you have to come tomorrow. You have to come for the class at 5 p.m.